You look kind of familiar.
Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named... You know his name.
Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK. Reluctantly, cause most of this press don't fuck with me. The style one said, tell me cool down, don't act a fool now.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ari. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look with the Amazon Burgundy 13x6 wig. The link for this wig will be in the description. And in addition, I just want to thank you guys for over 300 subscribers. I realized I never got a chance to, so I really appreciate you guys. So I'm just going to be started off with my bald cap already glued, and I'm just going to tint it with this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Mahogany and get it all over the cap. Really making sure to focus on the edges. And then I'm just going to go in with my alcohol and then clean it all up so nothing looks dry or crusty. Next, I'm going to start my wig tint. I'm just going to use the same concealer I used for my bald cap and just spread over my hands for better product distribution, and just apply it all over the lace to make sure that the lace is as closest to my skin tone as possible. Here, I'm just putting the wig on as I get ready to cut out the ear tabs. Just brushing it back to make sure all the hair is out the way, because I do not want to cut any unnecessary hair. And I'm just going to part out the amount of hair that I'm going to cut off. And then I'm just going to clip that away and then cut out the lace on both sides. Now that the wig prep is all complete, I'm going to go in with my bold hold glue, and I'm just going to apply 3 thin layers of glue, and making sure that I spread it out very thin so that the lace glue dries. Although in the video it looks white still, trust me y'all, it was dried. Trust me, it was dried. Okay y'all, now for the most important part, I'm gonna put the wig on my head, and I'm just gonna make sure that I flatten the wig out with the comb to make sure that it fully sticks to my head, because I do not want my wig flying off. That is embarrassing, child. Making sure that I comb it, and then I'm just gonna go in with some of the black even spray and just spray around the edges to make sure that it's fully secure, y'all. I want this wig so secure. And then I'm just gonna spray the other side as well. And after securing the lace even more with some glue, you're just going to want to put on your wig band, making sure that it's tight. When I say tight, I mean tight. Like you need to feel your head throbbing. And then you're just going to want to blow dry that on cool, low air, just to make sure everything is nice and secure. You don't want anything sliding off. That is embarrassing, like I said. And now for parting, I'm going for like a deep side part. Like I said in the beginning, this is a 13x6 wig, so I am going to be attempting a deep part. Just going in with my rat tail comb and making the part as straight as possible, making sure everything is nice and together. Do not want to be looking crazy. You don't want no crooked, zigzag, jagged part. Now I'm just sectioning that side part away and getting ready to hot comb, because y'all, this is the key to having your wigs absolutely flat, especially a side part. You're just going to want to get some wax stick and then put it on that hair, and just make sure to really hot comb it. Like make sure it's hot and combed, okay? And just add some more wax stick and just go by layer and just flatten it out, making sure that it's flat. If you have to go over it 10 times, go over it 10 times. Just make sure that it's flat. After making sure your side part is all situated, you're just going to want to take off that wig band and get ready to cut your lace, making sure your hair is all out the way, because I paid $140 for this hair. I'm not cutting it unless I need to. And I'm just going to take my scissors and cut off the excess. I'm not really going to get into the detail cutting because I find that hard to do on video. But you're just going to want to take some big scissors and just cut off all the excess lace. After this, I'm just going to go in with more detailed razor cutting. As I said, I can't really do it on camera, guys, so I'm just going to do it off camera. And this is how my lace looks afterwards. I'm just gonna go in with some alcohol once more and just clean all that up because I don't want any residue on my forehead. Here, I'm just gonna go on with this really dark eyeshadow and only furthermore tint the lace. Now I'm just gonna hot comb my edges and curl them. I'm not gonna do them on camera because I find it very hard for me to. I'm really sorry, y'all. I'm practicing. I really am. But I'm just gonna curl them with this little baby flat iron and then spray them with the black Eben spray. Now I'm just gonna curl my hair really quickly. Y'all, I am no curlyologist. These curls were struggling. I'm just gonna comb these out with my fingers. And this is the final result, you guys. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. I was super apprehensive about getting this color in the first place, but I think this really turned out cute, honestly, you guys. And also, guys, this is my first ever voiceover I've ever done on my channel, and I'm very excited. This was so much easier than I thought it would be. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys, and I hope I see you guys next time. Bye.
Ooh, ow, ow.